What, wow? What, wow? Oh shit, they're getting rid. He's not in the police officer yet.
He didn't see it.
Hold on, as soon as he gets in the car, then it resets. Watch. See it get back out of the vehicle? This guy was just like, well, I'm just watching. Yes, totally a big mistake. Oh no.
Woo! He got that pistol out real quick.
Right? Well, he's got a lot of police officers let him down too.
Oh,
my god! How the fuck?
Run!
No! No! Give me your car! Give me your car, motherfucker! I don't care! Have a good day! No! What the fuck? Oh my god! How the fuck is it stuck?
Where is he at?
He's right the fuck there!
Sorry. You kind of reminds me of a nuke that killed me whenever I was trying to run away.
Oh shit.
Shit.
Ah, guy has a...
I'm on top of the car! God damn it. The fuck was it stuck for? Fucking
I
lag or
don't
some
know.
shit? Jesus.
Bingley's all like, what's wrong? There's something wrong.
Yeah, there's something wrong, alright. I'm getting fucking murdered because the door won't fucking open and the car won't fucking go.